Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. We all know how important it is to take care of our bodies, but are you aware of the crucial connection between your gut and your brain? Did you know that your gut and brain are in constant communication? It's called the gut-brain connection, and it's one of the most fascinating areas of health science today. Essentially, your gut health directly impacts how you feel, how you think, and even how you handle stress. Your gut is often referred to as your second brain, because it produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulates your mood. In fact, about 90% of serotonin is made in the gut. If your gut health is off, maybe due to poor diet, stress, or lack of diversity in your microbiome, it can lead to anxiety, depression, or brain fog. But don't worry, there's a lot you can do to nurture this connection and improve both your gut health and your mental well-being. In this video, I'm going to share 5 practical tips that you can start implementing today to enhance your gut-brain connection and feel your best from the inside out. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about fiber. You know, that magical stuff you find in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It's more important than you might think. Well, it's not just about staying regular, although that's definitely a bonus. Fiber does so much more for your body. Fiber is like a superfood for your gut bacteria. It helps create a healthy environment for them to thrive. Think of your gut like a garden. Just like plants need water and nutrients, your gut needs fiber. You wouldn't just leave it unattended, right? You'd want to take care of it, ensuring it grows strong and healthy. You need to nourish it, feed it, and help it thrive. That's exactly what fiber does for your gut. That's where fiber comes in. It acts as a prebiotic, which basically means it provides food for the good bacteria living in your gut. It acts as a prebiotic, which basically means it provides food for the good bacteria living in your gut. These bacteria are essential for your overall health. When you eat fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, you're giving your gut the nutrients it needs. Oats and bananas, you're essentially giving your gut bacteria a delicious feast. You're essentially giving your gut bacteria a delicious feast. And guess what? They repay you by multiplying, diversifying, and creating a thriving microbiome. And guess what? They repay you by multiplying, diversifying, and creating a thriving microbiome. This leads to a healthier you. A healthy, diverse microbiome is like a well-balanced ecosystem. It supports your body in numerous ways. It helps with everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even mental clarity. A well-fed gut is a happy gut. So, how do you get more fiber in your diet? It's easier than you think. It's easier than you think. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Snack on fruits and vegetables throughout the day. Snack on fruits and vegetables throughout the day. And make sure to include whole grains like quinoa and brown rice in your meals. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Just focus on incorporating more fiber-rich foods gradually. And your gut will thank you for it. A happy gut means a healthier you, and your gut will thank you for it. Now let's move on to another gut-friendly food group, fermented foods. You might be thinking fermented like stuff that's gone bad, but trust me on this one. Fermented foods are like a secret weapon for your gut health. Think about yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. These are all examples of fermented foods that are packed with probiotics. Now, probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for your gut. They're like the good guys that come in and fight off the bad bacteria, keeping your gut in balance. When you eat fermented foods, you're essentially giving your gut a direct dose of these beneficial bacteria. This can help improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even positively impact your mood. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet is easier than you think. You can start by adding a dollop of plain yogurt to your breakfast or smoothie. Try swapping your regular salad dressing for a tangy kimchi slaw. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try a glass of kefir as a gut-healthy alternative to soda. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to include a serving of fermented foods in your diet daily to reap the full benefits for your gut and your overall well-being. We've talked about the importance of nourishing your gut with the right foods, but there's another crucial aspect of gut health that we can't ignore. Stress. Stress is something we all experience, and it can have a profound impact on our overall well-being, including our digestive health. You know how, when you're stressed, your stomach gets tied up in knots? That feeling isn't just in your head. Well, that's not just a figure of speech. It's a real physical reaction that your body has to stress. Stress has a very real impact on your gut. It can cause a range of symptoms from mild discomfort to severe digestive issues. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol. This is your body's way of preparing to deal with a threat. Now, cortisol is essential for survival, but when you're chronically stressed, high levels of cortisol can wreak havoc on your gut. This can lead to a host of problems. It can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, increase inflammation, and even make you more susceptible to digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. This imbalance can affect your overall health. So, what can you do to manage stress and protect your gut? There are several strategies you can incorporate into your daily life. Well, there are plenty of effective stress-reducing techniques out there. Finding the right one for you is key. Mindfulness meditation, for example, has been shown to reduce cortisol levels and improve symptoms of IBS. It helps you stay present and calm. Yoga is another great option, combining gentle movement with deep breathing to calm the mind and body. It helps in reducing stress and improving flexibility. And let's not forget about the power of deep breathing exercises. These can be done anywhere, anytime. Even just taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath can make a world of difference in reducing stress and promoting gut health. It's a simple, yet powerful tool. Remember, managing stress is not about being perfect. It's about progress and finding what works best for you. It's about finding healthy coping mechanisms that work for you and incorporating them into your daily routine. Over time, these small changes can lead to significant improvements in your gut health and overall well-being. We all know that exercise is good for our physical health, but did you know it also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut? That's right, getting your body moving can do wonders for your digestive system. Think about it. When you exercise, you're increasing blood flow to all your organs, including your gut. This helps to stimulate digestion, prevent constipation, and keep things moving smoothly. But that's not all. Exercise also has a positive impact on your gut bacteria. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can increase the diversity and abundance of beneficial bacteria in your gut. And remember those mood-boosting endorphins that exercise releases? Well, they don't just make you feel good, they also have a positive impact on your gut-brain connection, reducing stress and improving overall mental well-being. Now, you don't have to become a marathon runner to reap the gut-healthy benefits of exercise. Even moderate activity like brisk walking, swimming, or dancing can make a difference. The key is to find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. And remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. We've covered a lot of great strategies for improving your gut health, but there's one more important piece of the puzzle that we need to address. Limiting processed foods. Processed foods are everywhere, from the snacks we eat to the meals we grab on the go. They are convenient and often tasty, but they come with a hidden cost to our health. Now, I'm not saying you can never enjoy a slice of pizza or a scoop of ice cream ever again. It's all about balance and moderation. But it's important to be mindful of how often you're consuming processed foods because they can really mess with your gut. Regular consumption of these foods can lead to long-term health issues that are often overlooked. Processed foods are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria. These ingredients are designed to enhance flavor and shelf life, but can be detrimental to your gut health. They can also contribute to inflammation in the gut, which can lead to a whole host of digestive issues. Inflammation is a natural response by your body, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. One of the biggest culprits in processed foods is added sugar. It's hidden in many foods, even those that don't taste particularly sweet. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria in your gut, allowing them to multiply and crowd out the beneficial bacteria. This imbalance can have far-reaching effects on your overall health. This can lead to an imbalance in your gut microbiome, which can contribute to digestive problems, weakened immunity, and even mood swings. Your gut health is closely linked to your mental health, so it's important to maintain a healthy balance. Another thing to watch out for in processed foods is unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats. These fats are often used to improve texture and flavor, but can be harmful to your gut. These fats can increase inflammation in the gut, making it harder for your digestive system to function properly. Over time, this can lead to more serious health issues. And let's not forget about artificial ingredients. These are often added to enhance flavor, color, and shelf life. Many processed foods contain artificial sweeteners, colors, and flavors that can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria and contribute to digestive issues. These ingredients can be hard to avoid, but being aware of them is the first step. So, how can you limit processed foods in your diet? It starts with making conscious choices about what you eat. Start by reading food labels carefully and being aware of what you're putting into your body. Look for ingredients you recognize and avoid those that sound overly complex or artificial. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are not only better for your gut, but also for your overall health. That's it for our 5 tips to improve your gut-brain connection. Remember, your gut health is so closely intertwined with your overall well-being. Signs of an unhealthy gut could include bloating, digestive issues, fatigue, and even mood swings. The good news is that small, consistent changes to your diet and lifestyle can transform your gut health, and in turn, your mental well-being. Start by incorporating more fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, and stress management techniques into your routine. Get moving regularly and be mindful of your processed food intake. These small steps can make a world of difference in how you feel both physically and mentally. If this video inspired you to prioritize your gut health, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Let me know in the comments what you do to maintain your gut health, and I'll see you in the next video.